for a little bit. We got repairs to do, guys. Right back in this joint. See if we can get something better than the stock ones. Caster blocks. Cause the caster blocks that come with the X-Max, man, they just not doing. Hey buddy, how you doing, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Fine.
Haven't seen you in a while.
I know. Yeah, these gonna do.
Something you need?
No, the one on the outside, the other ones.
Oh, the part the C part that goes around
Yeah.
the outside of that?
Yeah.
Ooh. I don't know if I have that right now. From RT. Let me look it up in the back.
Okay. Yeah, guys. One day. Bigfoot fire. Oh, body only. So I can get the body too for that joint. Oh, okay. All right, we ain't playing with nobody. We're gonna get together, y'all, for this summer. I'm gonna get it together. Oh man, here go one of my other favorite trucks right here, y'all. All time. I gotta get another one. I gotta get another one. Sledge is it's a tank. It could take a beating. Not these, the other ones, the ones on the outside.
I told you guys had one.
Like this, it'll be like something like this piece here. Did you find them?
Yeah, well, I just have the Traxxas one.
For
only $7.
Well, I gotta get rolling again. I might as well get 2 pair of these, just in case
Okay. All right.
it's cold outside.
It is cold, you're right.
Yeah. All right, y'all. That's what we're gonna do. Real quick for a little bit, I had to come in here and repair the truck and get a little couple extra parts. Can't get what I want right now. This just gonna have to do. I'm gonna try something with it. I'm gonna put some oil on it to see if it'll help the plastic better in the cold. All right, with that said, thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you on the next one. Real quick, Fire Out Lotto bet. Check out what's going on out this joint, y'all. Some people run from this stuff, go right in the house. Not me, I'm coming outside. Going to get Debo and fix his leg real quick. Fire Out Lotto bet. Was gonna do it in the house, but we ain't got time for that. I'm about to put Debo right there in the passenger seat and fix him. Go grab the drone too and send the drone up in this stuff too. I'll catch y'all. And I Lotto bet. Real quick for a little bit, I wasn't playing. I told you we're gonna get this joint done right here on the car and then I'm gonna ride until I see something promising so I could jump that joint real quick for a little bit. Let me get this part on. It's real light. Wasn't nothing that bad. Where you at? We gotta show the people. Okay, it's right here. And we got that guy right there. All right, we'll catch you back on scene. Matter of fact, Kane just hit me up, so I might have help now. Thought I was gonna have to do this by myself. Be back in the back.
Hot Wheel.
Real quick for a little bit. We out of here, man. Let's go. We're going across the street. I got it oiled up this time, y'all. Should do better out here in this joint. This stuff blowing everywhere.
I bet you that.
Oh, you did something, Kane? Real quick for a little bit. You did a backflip, Kane? Huh? Oh, right there, Kane? Do it again, eh? I missed it. Since we missed it, do it again real quick for a little bit. Go to the next video. Hurry up, Kane. Kane said he did it. Let's see, y'all. Hey, you landed. All right, real quick for a little bit. We'll be right back. Yo, Kane, what happened, man?
Man, that shit did airborne, man.
Airborne real quick for a little bit. Hey, yo, hold on. I think we broke something else in this joint. We oiled it up, Kane. Hold on, Kane. The same damn piece.
Same piece.
And it came right here. So boom, yeah. Yep. Game over, guys, already out this joint. All right, cut it. Kane, want to say something before we go? All right, one more jump from Kane, y'all. What's going on? Okay, yeah. Come on, Kane, it's cold out this joint. Oh, you ain't sticking this time, Kane?
Get it this time.
All right, we out of here. We jumping.
Man, cut that joint.